U.S. stocks are eking out a small gain following choppy trading at the open. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 are all higher by just 0.1%. Now, this does come on the heels of the sell-off seen in the prior session. Now, today, the latest central bank rate decisions and U.S. jobs figures are being digested. Ahead of the big jobs report for the latest month that will be coming out on Friday morning, weekly jobless claims declined, coming in line with expectations. Meanwhile, the Challenger Gray and Christmas reports show that planned and announced corporate layoffs here in the U.S. decline in the latest month. And in terms of central bank rate announcements, both the Bank of England and the ECB left rates steady as widely expected. Now, in the accompanying statement, ECB President Mario Draghi said that monetary policy in the Eurozone region would remain accommodative. He did state that there is some downside risk to the economic outlook. And moving on to corporate news here in the U.S., we are seeing Verizon Communications shares trade on a flat note. Now, the Guardian newspaper reported that the U.S. government is collecting phone records on millions of U.S.-based customers. Meanwhile, J.M. Smucker reported earnings as well as revenue that were in line with estimates, but we are seeing shares down by 2.5%. And last but not least, we are seeing shares of Novavax rally by nearly 6% on the session. The Maryland-based pharmaceutical company announced that they have a vaccine candidate for the MERS coronavirus. Now, the MERS virus is the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. And over in the foreign exchange market, the U.S. currency is seeing mostly weaker trading against the majors. The euro-dollar did trade at a 4-week high above the 130-160 level. Meanwhile, the dollar-yen is hovering right at the 99 level.